Ever wondered why your statistical model isn't performing as well as it should? Could it be the case of multicollinearity? Now you might be thinking, what in the world is multicollinearity? Well, let's break it down together. Imagine we're trying to predict a certain outcome using multiple factors. In the realm of statistics, these factors are called predictor variables. Now, multicollinearity is a fancy term that describes a situation where two or more of these predictor variables are highly correlated. That's like having two compasses pointing in almost the same direction. Now, why is this a problem? Well, when these variables are highly correlated, it can be tricky to tease apart the individual effects of each one. It's like trying to hear a single voice in a noisy room. The correlation between the variables muddies the waters, making it hard to understand what's really driving your predictions. So, multicollinearity is like having too many cooks in a kitchen. They might get in each other's way and make it difficult to determine who made what dish. Now that we know what multicollinearity is, how does it affect your statistical model? Well, it's a bit like adding too much salt to a dish. Sure, a pinch can enhance the flavor, but pour in the whole shaker and suddenly your dinner is inedible. Similarly, multicollinearity can lead to unstable and unreliable estimates of regression coefficients. It's as if you're trying to balance on a tightrope, but the rope keeps shifting beneath your feet. You're never quite sure where you stand, right? That's what multicollinearity does to your model. It makes it difficult to assess the importance of individual predictor variables. Imagine you're trying to figure out which ingredients made your cake rise, but if you've mixed your baking powder and baking soda together, it becomes pretty tricky to tell which one did the job. That's the predicament multicollinearity puts you in. So the presence of multicollinearity can make your model as unpredictable as a roller coaster ride, with estimates going up and down. So, how can we spot multicollinearity and what can we do about it? Let's delve into this. Detecting multicollinearity can be done using tools such as variance inflation factor, or VIF, and tolerance. VIF measures how much the variance of a predictor is inflated due to multicollinearity, while tolerance, which is the reciprocal of VIF, gives us the amount of variability of the selected predictor not explained by other predictors. Now, how do we deal with multicollinearity once we've spotted it? One approach is to remove highly correlated predictors from your model. Another way is to combine correlated predictors into a single predictor. You could also use techniques like ridge regression, which is a method that adds a degree of bias to the regression estimates, helping to reduce the standard errors. Remember, tackling multicollinearity is like solving a puzzle, but with the right tools and techniques, you can definitely crack it.